Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 1590. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue you're facing is that your Conga 1590 dies after just 5 minutes off the charger. This usually indicates a failing battery that can no longer hold a charge. If you don't address this problem, it can lead to further complications, potentially affecting other components of your device or rendering it completely unusable. To replace the battery, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery suitable for the Conga 1590. Start by ensuring your device is powered off completely. Next, use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the casing of the Conga 1590. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips holding the casing together. Once you have access to the internal components, locate the battery. It's usually secured with screws or adhesive. If it's screwed in, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws. Be careful not to drop them, as they can be quite small. If the battery is attached with adhesive, gently slide the plastic tool underneath to detach it. When removing the battery, make sure to disconnect any cables connected to it. Take note of how the battery is connected, as you'll need to replicate this when installing the new one. Once the old battery is out, take your new replacement battery and connect it in the same manner as the old one. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the new battery, replace any screws you removed earlier. Carefully align the casing and press it back together, ensuring that all clips snap into place. Finally, power on your device to check that everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, double-check the connections you made during the replacement. To prevent this problem from occurring again, regularly monitor your device's battery health and avoid leaving it connected to the charger for extended periods after it has reached full charge. Additionally, consider using your device frequently to keep the battery in good condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.